Listen up, Spartan. It's time to put a stop to this disgrace. I've fought the flood, I've faced the covenant, but this is a whole new level of disgusting. Your mission is to keep your little Boston Terrier from consuming its own excrement. Now, you may think this is a simple task, but let me assure you, it requires all the finesse of a Spartan and the cunning of a Covenant elite. First and foremost, we need a solid battle plan, just like when we took down the Scarab on the streets of New Mombasa. You need to be vigilant and keep an eye on your little soldier at all times. The moment you see them doing their business, you need to step in with a stern command like, "Leave it." This is their cue to back off and not touch that steaming pile of, well, you know. Now, even the most disciplined Spartans need some incentive, so praise and reward them when they follow your command. A treat is a good start. You could also engage them in some playtime, like a good old game of war game simulation. Next, you need to keep your eyes on the prize. Much like the silent approach of an active camouflaged elite, your Boston Terrier is a stealthy creature when it comes to this unsavory habit. You must be ever vigilant, keeping an eye on your canine companion whenever it's outside or near a potential battlefield. Remember, the enemy can strike at any moment. Stay sharp, Spartan. Thirdly, you need to utilize diversionary tactics. Just as we've lured the Covenant into traps with holographic decoys, you'll need to create distractions for your furry friend. Make use of toys, treats, and attention in order to divert their focus from the, delicacy at hand. Consistency is key, Spartan, so make sure you're prepared to engage in this psychological warfare day in and day out. Lastly, remember that even I need backup sometimes. If all else fails, consider enlisting the help of a professional, like a veterinarian or a dog trainer. They may have access to additional resources and strategies to assist in this fight. And don't forget, Spartan, you're not alone in this battle. There are other brave soldiers out there facing the same challenges, and together, we will emerge victorious. Now gear up and get out there, Spartan. Your Boston Terrier is counting on you. Dismissed.